Today on Make and Drink, we're gonna make a better Brandy Alexander. This is an iconic holiday cocktail, and while I enjoy it, I think sometimes it falls flat. The traditional recipe calls for equal parts heavy cream, creme de cacao, and brandy or cognac. But I'm gonna share with you my version, which is a little more elevated, and it's the perfect holiday or winter cocktail. For this one, you'll need heavy cream, dry curacao, creme de cacao, and brandy or cognac. To our shaker, we're gonna start with 1 ounce of heavy cream, half an ounce of dry curacao, 1 ounce of creme de cacao, and 1.5 ounces of cognac. Add some ice. And we're going to shake for 20 seconds. We're going to double strain. Next, we'll top with some nutmeg. And just because we can, and it's the holidays, let's take an orange peel and flame it over the top. And there it is, the Brandy Alexander, the elevated Brandy Alexander. This is a rich and decadent drink. Adding that extra half an ounce of cognac really pushes the spirit forward, and it just drinks like a boozier drink. I just think with the addition of the dry curacao, along with the Tempus Fugit creme de cacao, it has not just chocolate, but hints of vanilla in there as well, like a vanilla bean flavor. Adding that, it plays really nice with the cognac, and to me, it's just a more complete, well-rounded cocktail. And like I said, while I love the original Brandy Alexander, if I was making one, I'm gonna make this one almost every time. All right, that's it for the elevated Brandy Alexander. If you enjoyed this one, give us a like, comment if you want to, subscribe if you'd like. Otherwise, we will see you on the next one. And if you like the Beatles, Google John Lennon, Brandy Alexander. There's a great story behind that, and if you're a John Lennon fan, you'll appreciate it. So cheers, see you next time.